Welcome back to the Lab1 today. I hope you have a very good collaboration experience with your teammates on the very first group project for the Lab2. I remember that the deadline of the assignment for the Lab2 is around the corner, so be sure to submit your files in time. So let's directly get to the assignment today, the Lab1, the third assignment, PowerPoint Module 6. And as usual, you will see the handout, the PDF. And you will also see a supplementary links you to the data files that is used in this assignment. It will show you the data files that will be used in this assignment. And if you cannot use the link or somehow the link is broken or you cannot see the link, you can go to the exact position by clicking the files and click the Lab1. Then the third assignment, and you should see the data files. Okay, and you should download these data files as all of them will be heavily used in this assignment. Okay, let's get back to the handout. So in this lab, you are going to work with the Microsoft PowerPoint. Basically, you will have to follow the tutorial in your textbook, the Microsoft textbook. The PowerPoint part will have the Module 6. There will be a tutorial on how to make a PowerPoint with the topic on conquer your clutter. And all the data files are already shown earlier in your files. Then in this assignment, you are going to submit two PowerPoint files, the additional clutter.powerpointx, which is, you can see the file in your supplementary, the additional clutter.powerpointx. You will have to make some corresponding modification to this file according to the tutorial. Then the second file to submit is the conquer your clutter.powerpointx. And there will be no template for this file. You will have to follow the tutorial. It will step by step guide you through how to make this PDF, make this PowerPoint. And you will have to submit these two files to CAD course. And the part of the tutorial in the textbook will teach you how to print the PowerPoint, and you can skip that part without worry, because we are not working on that in this assignment. So if you correctly follow all the steps in the tutorial, you will have a completed PowerPoint and ready for your submission. And before you submit the files, please be sure to check all the functions are working correctly as specified in the rubric. And we will score your assignment according to the rubric for sure. And so since all the objectives in the rubric are pretty deterministic, so there won't be any ambiguity, and I will expect you to get the 4 points if you follow the tutorial correctly. And also note that the PowerPoint provided by made by Microsoft is a cross-platform application. So no matter which operating system you are using, no matter it is Mac or Windows, the behavior should be exactly the same. There won't be any inconsistency between your side and our side, so you don't need to worry about whether your PowerPoint work correctly on our side. And one thing to note is that in the tutorial you will use you will require you to use the clutter outline. It will specify the outline of your PowerPoint, and it is in the supplementary as well. And there is also a conquer clutter checklist. You can also copy the content right here directly. Yeah. and also the 3 JPEG files. And if you don't have any question, then you can start to follow the tutorial in the textbook and make your submission. And if you have any question, you should reach out to TA in your lab hours. It is the same as the TA hours. Feel free and don't be afraid of asking any question, and TA will be always available during the lab hours. And this is the end of the lab 1, and we should have a very good day working well with your lab 1. Bye.